Another great session today on all things COVID and some things not directly related to COVID. The issue that I spoke about was dealing with remote work and the performance of remote work. I think I have a few takeaways for the group. Encourage you to watch the full webinar, but I think at one point we were really all scrambling. Let's just get the work done. Doesn't matter as much where it's being performed. Let's just get the job done and move on and try to triage issues that they may come up. Now we're looking at this remote work being a more long-term engagement, continuing into the future. And I'm also seeing from clients an interest in this remote work for really job retention and recruitment efforts. In other words, we're able, by offering this type of remote work arrangement, we're able to attract and retain workers who we wouldn't otherwise be able to do. These arrangements, while I think beneficial in a number of respects, raise some significant legal issues relating to tax withholding, corporate registration in jurisdictions. And a lot of these things come up, especially where you have an employee who's performing work in a different state. And again, not only can those other tax withholding and registration issues apply, but other compliance issues in the labor and employment realm can apply too. This could include paid leave. Think about New York, for example. We have sexual harassment training required. We have policy distributions required in different areas. And in other states have comparable requirements. So it's important to remember that if you are going to have that remote worker connecting from a different state, you're going to want to get the legal analysis to identify the feasibility and potential compliance issues that are out there. Beyond that, I think it's critically important ultimately to have an agreement in place that sets forth the expectations on the employee's part, that compliance with those expectations is required, and a failure to comply can put the arrangement in jeopardy. Things like recording of time properly, performance of overtime, how we're going to handle reimbursement of expenses, equipment that needs to be provided. These are all issues that can be wrapped up in a policy and should be addressed. For more information, please feel free to reach out to your bond attorney, and we're happy to help. Thank you.